The movement of press is a very small movement and comes out a lot when your hands or your arms are jammed up a little bit against your body and you haven't got room to move and do a full range of movement. So a simple application to show this is if my partner comes here and he's pushing from the side, trying to knock me off to the side. I use my turning that I've learnt in my cloud hands to turn to the side, turn him, and then place one hand onto the other and push him out of range and out of harm's way for the time being. So again, as he pushes, I turn and press. Turn and press. So one more time. Turning, hands together, and press. You can press down, forward, or upwards, doesn't really matter. There. Turn and press. There we go. Thank you very much. And that's an application for press.